National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Livingston County in central Illinois, southeastern LaSalle County in north central Illinois, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Wayona, or 9 miles west of Streator, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Streator around 8:40 p.m. South Streator around 8:45 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A severe